Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I would like to present to you the level 24 chef, Chef Pickachao. Yeah, hey, how are you, peeps? This is Chef Pickachao here on the YouTube channel, Pickachao Food Reviews. Today is season 1, episode 1 of Cooking with Pickachao. And yeah, so today we are gonna cook some chicken nuggets. So with a special dipping sauce. So yeah, let's head to the fridge. Yeah. And we're not just gonna make we're not gonna make these types because these are too basic. No. We are gonna make these, the Avenger chicken nuggets. So let's get into it. So let's go here, get a plate. Get a plate. Get a plate. Get a plate. Let's get out our ingredients. So we are gonna need some ketchup, specifically the Heinz brand, some mayonnaise, and I think that's it. Oh, and to give it that extra bit of flavor, Hidden Valley Ranch. So I prefer that you guys get the high quality stuff, which is Heinz, Hellmann's, and Hidden Valley. And then for seasonings, we have salt and pepper. And that's pretty much it. Alright. So let's put the sauce stuff on the side for now. And let's focus on the chicken nuggets. So you have your 3 basic shapes: Captain America star, a Hulk fist, and an Iron Man head. So I'll show you these, so here are the heating instructions if you want to pause the video. There you go. So let's get into it. Let me sit you guys down. Alright. So here you go. Let's take a look. There we go. Here is a Captain America star. Here is a pretty wonky looking Iron Man head. And here is a Hulk fist. So yeah, we're just gonna put some here. Okay, and this is a sealable bag, so we can seal this up. Put it back in the freezer. Back in the freezer. And let's open our microwave. Place these in the microwave. And if you want nice golden crispy nuggets, you need to set the cook time for 6 minutes. And while those are cooking, let's make our special sauce. You gotta keep it between the channel. This is a super top secret recipe and cannot be shared with anyone. It can't be shared with Dashi, aka Ghetto Chef. It can't be shared with Chef Kenshin, Koryx Kenshin for Koryx Cooking, and it also can't be shared with anyone else. Okay, here is our bowl. So we are gonna put a little bit of ranch. Looking good. A little bit of ketchup. Very nice. A smidge of mayonnaise. Hold on. Okay. There you go. Smidge of mayonnaise. And then you're gonna put 2 shakes of salt and 5 grinds of pepper. So we're gonna put 5 grinds of pepper. It needs to be a pepper grinder. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now we take a spoon and we mix it all up. And you know you did it right if it looks this pink. Okay, taste for seasoning. Too ranchy. That is too ranchy. Actually, no, it's perfect. So that is our sauce. Now, we have to wait for our nuggets. They're almost finished, just 2 more minutes. While we're doing that, we got to clean up our workstation. So let's go in here. Put the salt and the pepper back. And then we go to the fridge. We put the mayonnaise, the ketchup, and the ranch back. And yeah. And 55 seconds. Comment down below, what do you want me to do for episode 2? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is finished. You gotta be very careful with it because it's very hot. Very hot. Let's see, very crispy. Very hot, so I'm gonna set you guys down. Alright guys, so this is what they look like. What? Yeah. And when you're doing this, make sure you have the fan on. It's very necessary. So yeah. Anyways, let's get our special sauce. And throw away our trash. And get our side here of the day, Munchies cheese mix. And here we go. So we got the Hulk fist, Captain America stars, we got Iron Man head, and our special sauce. Alright, so which one should we try first? We should probably try the stars. What the? Try the star. They are very hot, just be careful. Alright. Ugh. Now, let's give this a taste. The flavor from the breading and the flavor of the sauce is so good. For my pickachao rating, I give this a 10 chicken nuggets out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this and if you want more, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Pickachao signing off.